Hello, and welcome to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen. Let me ask you something. What if one simple meal could support your heart, your skin, your energy, and still feel like something you'd order at a beautiful restaurant? Today's recipe is one of those meals you should come back to again and again. I'm Lucy, and today we're cooking golden salmon with lemon yogurt sauce and fresh greens. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell, so you never miss a new healthy recipe. Now, let's cook. This dish is light, creamy, fresh, and deeply satisfying. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or whenever your body needs something real. Let me show you exactly how to make it. For this recipe, you'll need 2 fresh salmon fillets, about 150 grams or 5.3 ounces each, salt and freshly ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For the sauce, 1 cup Greek yogurt, about 240 grams or 8.5 ounces, zest and juice of half a lemon, 1 small garlic clove, fresh herbs, dill or parsley. For the greens, 200 grams or about 7 ounces of spinach, kale, or broccolini, 1 tablespoon olive oil, a squeeze of lemon. Simple ingredients, powerful results. Start by seasoning the salmon generously with salt and black pepper on both sides. Heat a pan over medium heat, add olive oil, and place the salmon skin side down. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes without moving it. This is how you get that golden, crispy skin. Flip carefully and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the salmon is just cooked through and beautifully flaky. Salmon should stay moist and tender, never dry. While the salmon cooks, prepare the sauce. In a bowl, add the Greek yogurt. Zest half a lemon directly into it. This is where the aroma lives. Squeeze in the lemon juice. Grate 1 small garlic clove very finely. Add a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh herbs. Mix slowly until smooth and creamy. The sauce is bright, fresh, lightly tangy, and incredibly light. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over low heat. Add the greens and sauté gently for 1 to 2 minutes, just until they soften but keep their vibrant color. Finish with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon. Place the salmon on the plate. Spoon the lemon yogurt sauce generously over the top. Arrange the greens on the side. Finish with fresh herbs and a little extra lemon zest. Simple, beautiful, nourishing. 1 serving contains approximately 450 calories, 35 grams of protein, healthy omega-3 fats, very low carbohydrates. This meal supports heart health, brain function, and glowing skin. It's rich in vitamin D, vitamin B12, calcium, and powerful antioxidants. Food that truly works with your body. Thank you for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video with someone who loves healthy food. This is Lucy's Healthy Kitchen, where simple food becomes something special. See you next time.